in the viewing. Ta-da. We're going to pull out a beaker and we're going to pour some of this acid in here. Then I'm going to grab a pipette. Have a couple of pipettes here. So this right here is just your typical pipette. All right, and I grabbed another beaker and I put a little bit of acid in that beaker, and then we have the sodium hydroxide solution right there. I'm gonna pull that open a little bit. So see what happens when we add a little acid to this mixture. One drop at a time. Definitely should be turning it acidic. There we go. You'll see that obviously that changed the color there of what we're looking at. Now this hydroxide is, if you think about how concentrated the sulfuric acid was, it was 0.1 molar. So that means that this sodium hydroxide is 40 times more concentrated. So I should be able to get it back to blue by using 40 times less. So maybe even just one drop of this stuff. Yep, you can see one drop has a dramatic effect. And again, we'll go back and forth. We can go back and forth because all we're doing is taking an acid and a base, and we're going back and forth between the two compositions, whether it's acidic or basic. Now a base begins at above 7 and an acid is below 7. So different indicators have different spots where they change colors. So as an example, phenolphthalein is either clear when it's an acid, or it's no longer clear, it's pink. It's a bright pink color when it's basic. And acid and base, simply the concentration of hydroxide ions that are in the chemical, or the concentration of hydrogen ions. But really the way that it looks is that you'll have excess hydrogen ions in the solution or excess hydroxide ions. Hydroxide ion is OH, hydrogen ion is just H+. So again, let's put a drop of this sodium hydroxide and see what happens.